In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country in the Amazon app. It will be good for you to change your country if you moved and you have to order off Amazon and it's making you change it so you can have a different availability of different items on each store. So first things first, we're going to go into the Amazon app. Let's click on that. Once you're into the Amazon app, down at the bottom where you see the little person icon, click on that. It should take you here. Once you're in here on this setting, you want to click on, you see the flag where it says EN up in the right hand corner. Click on that. Now you change your region to whatever you want, let's say Japan. And you can also change your language if you want. Let's say we want to speak Japanese. Try to find Japanese. Okay, they all right up here. So boom. So you just click that little yellow button and then it'll be all complete. All right, and that's how you change your country in the Amazon app. Any questions or concerns, make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.